right, my friends, real quick. As you can tell, maybe the footage, the DJI FPV GoPro footage is not looking like it normally does, all crispy clean and good. There's a reason for that. These are the remaining parts of my drone. I got to the Mississippi River, got excited. So any footage that you might see that's within like a state park or national park, though, that is found footage. I found 2 SD cards, hypothetically, because hypothetical gets you out of stuff. Hypothetically, I found 2 SD cards, one of which went in my goggles, one of which it went into the GoPro, and all I have is the goggle stuff, so it's not very good. Sorry. So I had rode all day through Montana from the Bozeman Billings and found my way into Sturgis, South Dakota. I needed to get a rear cylinder on my rear case, fixed because it had come loose. These amazing people at BMW, it was Sturgis Power Sports. They're truly awesome. Reese was one of the technicians, and I want to say Brandon was the parts guy who actually ended up just fixing the centerpiece, the cylinder. Anyways, they both recommended one road, so I took it. Black Hills. So late in the night, I found a spot where I could rest my head, not far away from 4 other familiar heads. Here's Mount Rushmore. All right, pretty crowded day. I don't know what the hell just happened, but I just double checked and I cannot find the rest of the Rushmore stuff. But whatever. Moving on. 4 faces carved into stone. It's pretty freaking epic, pretty badass. But just past that is something way cooler. Custer State Park. Check it out. Waking up, getting ready to head east out of Wisconsin, but that's future me, another story, I guess. Let's go to the Badlands, shall we? My drone and my GoPro bit the dust because of my piloting skills, but I was doing everything I could to provide an amazing piece of footage for you. Even if it's only 7, maybe 12 seconds long, I try to work hard at this, and it costs a lot of money. So look, all I'm asking, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Do something to help contribute towards this channel if you enjoy any of the seconds that are provided, because they cost a lot.